SUMAKE 23S Series Ultra Precision Screwdriver with patent 3.0 stagger clutch ensures plus or minus 2% repeatability, enhanced durability, and lower maintenance. Its new Tornado motor offers 30% more torque with reduced counterforce for increased efficiency and comfort. It is perfect for industries such as aerospace that require rapid reverse torque and high-level accuracy and precision of tightening applications. The new torque value display window function allows operators to adjust torque without a torque tester. It helps improving workflow efficiency and precision. These screwdrivers achieve a CPK 1.67 within a plus or minus 10% tolerance range according to ISO 5393, which can significantly reduce rework defects and production costs. SUMAKE 23 Series Air Screwdriver supplies a wide torque range and high speed for a variety of applications, achieving high torque with its compact body. Operators can use the patented reverse floating button for quick and easy reverse operation. SUMAKE. Make jobs better than ever.